Our Aegis Iron feature tractor this week is part of Jerry Wilsey's Deere herd here in Pomeroy, Washington. And this is a 1954 40C. And you can see the herd behind us. He started out with one John Deere A, and then it kind of took over. This is the only crawler you have in your collection.
Correct. Yeah.
Now, a little bit of background on this crawler. This was not the first crawler in Deere's line. That would have been
The Lindemann, I assume, would
the
be
Lindemann. I think it was the B with a Lindemann crawler unit on it.
Correct.
But this was John Deere's undercarriage and track system that they came out with.
Right.
So this was a crawler tractor. I'm guessing we're in Washington State, but we're mostly in southeastern Washington State.
This came from Walla Walla. I was on a little irrigated little farm down there. The guy, a friend of mine, had it. His dad had it.
Really?
They kind of subdivided the property, and so they didn't need this thing anymore. So
Yeah.
he had mentioned something about it, and well, of course.
Now the whole thing about a crawler is that you're all on tires except for this little baby.
Yes.
And this gets to be a lot of fun. Was the tracks in pretty good shape?
Yes, everything was pretty much like it was, except, I mean, we had to do a little motor work and a little roller work and a little paint and a few things.
A little paint at the job. By the way, with one thing I noticed in here I wanted to point out, there's many different ways to get a crawler to work on asphalt.
Yes.
This is the unique one, and you got to tell me about these grousers, rubber grousers that you put on.
These are out of the R72 Gleaner Combine.
And this is on the concave then?
Yes, it's in the rotor assembly in there.
And the rotor assembly. And so you found these on a farm and they were used?
Yes.
They had these sitting in a pile.
Mm-hmm.
So all you had to really do is, did you have to add the bolt hole then?
Yeah, I drilled the bolts and had to cut these off because they were much longer, and and just had to drill some holes and mount them up.
These are rubber. They come with a steel insert. They were molded around the steel. So now you put these on, it helps give you extra traction. You say you take this out in the snow,
right?
Or pull a sled for the grandkids and the kids in the neighborhood. But the nice thing about it, you can take the shows and go on asphalt.
Yes.
Is this going to be the first and last crawler in your collection?
I wouldn't guarantee it.
Because you really started out with a John Deere 8, kind of figured you had something to do, and then it kind of grew a little bit, as we see back here.
Right.
So what's the next acquisition?
Well, I hope it's a 730 or 620 or 630 standard.
You like that 30
Wheatland look type
You
tractors.
like the Wheatland kind of beefy tractors.
Yes.
Well, I'll see you next time on another Aegis Iron Feature Tractor of the Week. Hi, I'm Dave Mowitz. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit subscribe right here if you haven't already, and click that little bell right here to be notified when we post a new video. And click here to see more great videos.